Next, we start the concept of mean value theorem. Mean value theorem, Rolle's theorem, and mean value theorem. Rolle's theorem extension is mean value theorem. So here, just the theorem proofs no need, just the theorem statements is important. By the theorem statements will solve the problems. Problems also important for 3 marks questions. And Rolle's theorem what and mean value theorem statements what? First of all, we'll see the statements. Rolle's theorem. Let f be a function mapping from closed interval a comma b. Here closed interval, open interval, very very important. Closed interval a comma b to real numbers. Closed interval a comma b to real numbers. First condition, f is continuous in closed interval a comma b. Closed interval a comma b. And number 2, f is differentiable in open interval a comma b. F is differentiable in open interval a comma b. Next, third condition is f of a is equal to f of b. F of a is equal to f of b, where a comma b are some real numbers. A and b are some real numbers. Then there exists C belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of C is equal to 0. F dash of C equal to 0. This is the Rolle's theorem. What are the conditions? F mapping from closed interval a comma b to R. F is continuous in closed interval a comma b. F is differentiable in open interval a comma b. F of a equal to f of b. A and b are some real numbers. These three conditions satisfied means this one exists. There exists a C belongs to a comma b. The C lies between a and b interval, open interval, such that f dash of C is equal to 0. This is the Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem proof also there, but proof no need to do now. Just this theorem statement is very very important here. F dash of C is equal to 0 means tangent slope is equal to 0. And here you observe continuous in closed interval a comma b, but differentiable in open interval a comma b. For example, I am taking here this is a and this is b. If you are drawing tangent at any point, that will become differentiable. You see here we can draw tangent here, we can draw tangent here. But if we are drawing here tangent, it is not a tangent. Tangent means it touches the only one point. You can see here. Continuous means it will become another point also it will touch. So that's why it is not differentiable at end point. End points is there. That time function is not differentiable. So that's why open interval will write excluding a comma b. Remaining all values will be differentiable. Next, mean value theorem. What is the mean value theorem? Same to same. This condition extension. Some extension will be there that you observe here. Let f mapping from closed interval a comma b to capital R. Number 1, f is continuous. F is continuous at or in closed interval a comma b. Next, number 2, f is differentiable. F is differentiable in open interval a comma b. These two conditions enough. No need to check about f of A is equal to f of B. F of A is not equal to f of B, then only mean value theorem exists. If it is equal means it will become a Rolle's theorem again. So that's why then there exists C belongs to open interval A comma B such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. F of B minus f of A by B minus A. Here only just two conditions, and f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus C. Here f dash of C is equal to 0. Why? Because both equal. Both equal means here you substitute, you can get f of B minus f of B. 0 answer. So that purpose only. Extension of Rolle's theorem is mean value theorem. Theorem statements is very important here. And C values, this C exists, we are telling now. This C values more than one also you will get. C values more than one also you will get. This is enough for this mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. Pause the video to note it down. Next, example 42. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function y is equal to x square plus 2. Y I am taking as a f of x. F of x is equal to x square plus 2. A is minus 2, B is 2. Already we discussed Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem. Any one condition failure also Rolle's theorem not satisfied. Any one condition of the mean value theorem not satisfied means mean value theorem not exist or mean value theorem is not applicable. So now you can see here, first of all, solution given f of x is equal to x square plus 2 and a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 2. Next, immediately I'll find the f dash of x also. What is the f dash of x value? X square derivation is 2x plus 2 derivation is 0. This one completed. F of x is polynomial. This is polynomial. Then continuous and differentiable. In capital R. So first condition, f is continuous at closed interval a comma b. Here what is a? 2 comma 2 is the interval. Why? Because it is differentiable in real line. Total real line is differentiable. Total real line is what is this? Continuous. So some part also it continuous and differentiable. So direct we can write f is differentiable at open interval minus 2 comma 2. Next, third condition, f of minus 2 we have to find. F of minus 2 means minus 2 whole square plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Next, f of 2 whole square plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. F of b is equal to f of b. So now all three conditions satisfied. All three conditions of the Rolle's theorem f of x satisfied. So there exists a C belongs to. For that purpose, what is that condition? Therefore, there exists C belongs to open interval a comma b such that f dash of C is equal to 0. What is here only I'll write f dash of C, x plus C substitute, 2C is equal to 0 since from 1. 2C is equal to 0 C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. 0 is belongs to open interval 2 comma 2. Open interval 2 comma 2. C is equal to 0. 0 is belongs to minus 2 comma 2. Therefore, Rolle's theorem verified. Rolle's theorem verified. Just you have to write continuous differentiable. You have to check both equal or not. Third condition, equal means there exists C belongs to. There exists C belongs to. You have to write minus 2 comma 2 such that f dash of C is equal to 0. C value is 0. 0 is belongs to minus 2 comma 2. This is the Rolle's theorem verification. Next, mean value theorem verify is asking. So first, given f of x is equal to x square in closed interval 2 comma 4. Closed interval 2 comma 4. F dash of x is equal to 2x. F dash of x is equal to 2x. Next, I'll find f of 2. F of 2 square is equal to 4. F of 4 is equal to 4 square. That is equal to 16. That is equal to 16. I'll write here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4. First value is a, second value is b. Now these all values completed. I'll write f of x is polynomial, then continuous and differentiable in capital R. First condition, f is continuous at closed interval 2 comma 4. Why? Because it is continuous every real number. So small interval also it will be continuous. Next, f is differentiable at open interval 2 comma 4, endpoints not including. Two conditions satisfying. Mean value theorem just two conditions satisfy means then there exists C belongs to open interval 2 comma 4 such that f dash of C is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Here f dash of C also I'll find. F dash of C value is 2c. So substitute here 2c is equal to f of b. What is f of b? F of b means 4. F of 4 is equal to 16. Otherwise write down one step. F of 4 minus f of 2 by 4 minus 2. A, B value substitute here first. Implies 2c is equal to f of 4. What is f of 4? F of 4 is 16 minus f of 2 is 4 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 2c is equal to 16 minus 4, 12 by 2. 2 6 the 12, 2 1 the 2 3 the. Therefore, c is equal to 3 belongs to open interval 2 comma 4. Therefore, c is equal to 3, 2 comma 4. Mean value theorem is verified. It is does not belongs to means it is not satisfy the mean value theorem. So once again you see f dash of x, f dash of c, f of a, f of b. Substitute in that one. Pause the video to note it down. Next we'll start the exercise 5.8. First problem, verify Rolle's theorem for the function. Given first of all, given f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 and x is belongs to minus 4 comma 2. This is a value, that is b value. First value is a, second value is b. Now I'll find first of all f dash of x. X square derivation is 2x plus 2x derivation is 2 8 derivation is 0. No need to write. Next, f of x is polynomial, then continuous and differentiable in capital R. Every real number line, every place it is continuous and differentiable. Why? Because it is a polynomial. So first condition, f is continuous at closed interval minus 4 comma 2. Why? Because it is continuous at every real number. So that's why this is also continuous in this interval. Number 2, f is differentiable. F is differentiable at open interval minus 4 comma 2. Now third condition what? F of a. What is f of a? Minus 4 is equal to minus 4 whole square plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 4 for the 16 minus 8 minus 8, that is 0. Now f of 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8 is equal to 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore f of 4 minus 4 is equal to f of 2. All the three conditions satisfying, Rolle's theorem, three conditions satisfying. So that's why what we have to make, there exists C belongs to interval minus 4 comma 2 such that f dash of C is equal to 0. So f dash of C, what is the f dash of C? Here I'll write f dash of C is equal to 2C plus 2. 2C plus 2 is equal to 0. 2C is equal to minus 2. Cancel. C is equal to minus 1. It is belongs to minus 4 comma 2. So Rolle's theorem is verified. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem satisfied. So C is equal to minus 1 belongs to minus 4 comma 2 open interval. This is the way of finding the verifying the Rolle's theorem. Next, problem number 2. Examine Rolle's theorem for is applicable to any of the following function. If it is not applicable, you have to give the reason also. I didn't wrote the total question. F of x is equal to box x. Solution first one. F of x is equal to box x. Box x is nothing but step x, step function. In first year also there, and continuity differentiable also we discussed. Box x is not continuous at integral parts point, not continuous at integral points. Therefore, one of the condition not satisfied. Therefore, Rolle's theorem not applicable. Rolle's theorem not applicable. Why? Because it is not continuous. First condition only failure. Next, number 2. F of x is equal to box x. This also same to same, but interval change. Interval change also it is not continuous. Interval same also not continuous. So same is not continuous at integral point. One of the condition is not satisfied. Rolle's theorem is not applicable. Reason also you have to clearly mention. Next, number 3, you see f of x is equal to x square minus 1 is polynomial, then continuous and differentiable in capital R. Continuous and differentiable in capital R. First condition, f is continuous at closed interval 1 comma 2. Number 2 condition, f is differentiable at open interval 1 comma 2, because it is continuous differentiable in real numbers, so that's why it is differentiable and continuous in that particular intervals also. Now third condition we have to check. What is a value here? A value is a1, b value is 2. F of 1 square minus 1 is equal to 0. F of 2 square minus 1 is equal to 3. F of 1 is not equal to f of 2. I told that any one condition failure also it is not applicable. Rolle's theorem is not. Two conditions satisfied, but third condition not equal getting. Therefore, Rolle's theorem not applicable. Rolle's theorem is not applicable for this function. Pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 3. If f mapping from closed interval minus 5 comma 5 to R is differentiable function, and if f dash of x does not vanish anywhere, does not vanish means it is not equal to 0, does not vanish. Vanish means it will total remove. But here does not vanish. Does not vanish means it is not equal to 0 anywhere. Prove that f of minus 5 is not equal to f of 5. Solution: f is differentiable. The given f is differentiable. Every differentiable function is continuous. That implies f is continuous. I am taking suppose f of 5 is equal to minus 5 is equal to f of 5. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Continuous, differentiable, f of a equal to f of b. This implies, therefore, all the conditions of Rolle's theorem satisfied, then f dash of c is equal to 0. F dash of c is equal to 0. That condition exists. But f dash of x does not vanish anywhere. Does not vanish anywhere. But we are getting equal 0. But it is not equal 0 is telling. So our supposition, due to our supposition, equal 0 got. Therefore, our supposition is wrong. Therefore, f of minus 5 is not equal to f of 5. Just equal we are taking, reverse condition getting here. Reverse, equal 0 getting, but it is not equal 0 they are giving. So our supposition is wrong. What they given, that is only correct. Contradiction method this is. Next, problem number 4. Verify mean value theorem. F of x is equal to, given f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 4. So first of all, f of x is polynomial, then continuous and differentiable, in capital R. First condition, f is continuous at closed interval 1 comma 4. Closed interval 1 comma 4. Why? Because it is continuous in real numbers, so that's why it is continuous in here also. Number 2, f is differentiable differentiable at open interval 1 comma 4, open interval 1 comma 4, then there exists C belongs to open interval 1 comma 4 such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of x. So I'll find first f dash of x value. What is the f dash of x value? 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. F dash of x. This implies f dash of C is equal to what? 2C minus 4. Next, f of a value. F of a is nothing but 1. What is the f of a value? 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3, minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. F of 4 is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3. These two cancel. Minus 3 is the f of c. Therefore, there exists C belongs to open interval 1 comma 4 such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. That is nothing but f of B. What is the f of B? F of 4 minus f of 1 by 4 minus 1. What is f dash of C? F dash of C is 2C minus 4 is equal to f of 4. F of 4 is minus 3 minus of minus 6 by 3. So simplify this one. Plus 6, 3 you will get 3 by 3 is 1. 2C is equal to 1 plus 4. C is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. It is belongs to 1 comma 4. It belongs to 1 comma 4. So this is the verification of mean value theorem. The difference is f of A is equal to f of B is there. That is a Rolle's theorem. Not equal getting means mean value theorem. It will. Pause the video to note it down. Next, problem number 5. Verify the mean value theorem. Given function is given f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3x, 5x minus 3x, this is 3x, comma, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3. Now, I'll find here only f dash of x first. 3x square minus 10x minus 3. F of x is polynomial, then continuous and differentiable in capital R. First condition, f is continuous at closed interval 1 comma 3 a comma b. Next, number 2 condition, f of x is differentiable at open interval 1 comma 3. 2 conditions satisfied. Now we have to check f of 1 is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 5 minus 3, that is equal to minus 7 you will get. Next, f of 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 3 into 3, that is 27, 45 minus 9, that is equal to what will get here? Minus 27 you will get. Minus 27. There exists C belongs to open interval 1 comma 3 such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A condition. So what is the f dash of C? 3C square minus 10C minus 3 is equal to, what is f of B? F of 3, that is minus 27 minus of minus 7 by 3 minus 1, that is minus into minus plus, total will become minus 20 by 2. minus 10. If we are sending right side, 3c square minus 10c minus 3 plus 10 is equal to 0. 3c square minus 10c plus 7 is equal to 0. Simplification you have to make here. If we are making factorization, or b square is x is equal to minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. C values will become, direct I am writing 1 comma 7 by 3. But 1 is does not belongs to open interval 1 comma 3. C is compulsory belongs to 1 comma 3. Therefore, C is equal to 7 by 3 is belongs to 1 comma 3. It is does not belongs to 1 comma 3. So answer is 7 by 3. Next, problem number 2 is there. Rolle's theorem we verified for 3 problems. Here, mean value theorem we have to verify for the 3 problems. Solution is first one and second one at a time. I am writing f of x is equal to box x is not continuous at integral parts, integral points. Therefore, direct I am writing mean value theorem not applicable. Mean value theorem is not applicable. Why? Because it is not satisfying the first condition. Next, third problem, f of x is equal to x square minus 1. X is belongs to 1 comma 2 is polynomial. Polynomial, then continuous differentiable in capital R. Therefore, first condition, f of x is equal, f of x is, or f is continuous at closed interval 1 comma 2. Number 2, f of x is differentiable at open interval 1 comma 2. Why? Because it is continuous everywhere, real number. So that's why it is. So 2 conditions only enough. Before the second problem, third condition also we check. Here no need to check the third condition. This is the mean value theorem. So that purpose, f dash of x you find first. 2x you will get. This implies f dash of c is equal to 2c. f of 1. f of 1 is 0. f of 2 is 2 square minus 1 is 3. There exists C belongs to open interval 1 comma 2 such that f dash of C is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. What is f dash of C? 2c is equal to f of b is nothing but 2. 3 minus 0 by 2. Sorry, b minus a. 2 minus 1. That is equal to 3 you will get. C is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is nothing but what? 1.5. This is belongs to 1 comma 2. So here mean value theorem satisfied. Before that problem, here Rolle's theorem not satisfied. Here mean value theorem is satisfied. Why? Because f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. So Rolle's theorem not satisfied. But here no need to check that one. So mean value theorem is satisfied. Pause.